Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting review on our channel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the mini electric cooker non-stick cooking 1 to 2 people single/double hot pot steamer hot pot multifunction electric cooker for home. This amazing cooker is perfect for anyone looking to prepare delicious and healthy meals for themselves or for a small group of people. Now, I know what you're thinking, why do I need this electric cooker when I already have a stovetop? Well, let me tell you, this cooker offers so much more than a traditional stovetop. With its non-stick coating, you can say goodbye to scrubbing pots and pans for hours. The capacity of 1.8 L is perfect for cooking meals for 1 to 2 people, and the anti-scald, double-layer insulation ensures your safety while cooking. But how does it work? Well, it's as easy as boiling water. With a power of 500 W, this cooker can quickly boil water for your hot pot or steam your favorite vegetables for a healthy meal. And with its multifunction cooking capabilities, you can prepare a variety of delicious dishes without any hassle. Now, I understand that you may be hesitant to try out this electric cooker, but let me assure you that it is incredibly easy to use. And don't worry about any plastic smell, simply boil water for the first time use, and it will completely remove any odors. Plus, cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick coating. Just use a soft object to protect the surface, and you'll be ready to cook another delicious meal in no time. But that's not all, this electric cooker is also designed for your convenience. With its European plug, you can use it right out of the box without any adapters. And with its compact size, it's perfect for use in a dormitory or any small living space. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to tedious cooking and hello to the mini electric cooker non-stick cooking 1 to 2 people single/double hot pot steamer hot pot multifunction electric cooker for home. Click the link in the description to purchase yours today and start enjoying the convenience and delicious meals this cooker has to offer. Don't miss out, join the electric cooker revolution now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews and product recommendations.